26th of January each year, and I and my family always do something to celebrate. Why not? We're the world's only country that is a continent. We're called the land down under. It's because Australia is located in the southern hemisphere. But to me, Australia is truly a place of sunshine, incredible landscapes, unique animals, multicultural nationalities, and ancient cultures. For many of us, this is a day of celebration. Celebration being an Australian. Historically, this date in 1788 marks when the British ships called the First Fleet arrived at Sydney Cove. To our Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders and their supporters, it's also the day that they consider Invasion Day. For First Nation people, it is the day of mourning. It marks the beginning of when land was taken and the cultures were hurt or sadly lost forever. Every country has its dark past, and this should be acknowledged because it's what makes us unique and it's our identity. And without the trials and tribulations of our ancestors, we would not be where we are today, or who we are as a nation. Also, on this day, there are many protesters who want to change the day, so it becomes a celebration day for all, not a day of mourning, as it is for so many Aboriginal and Indigenous Islanders. The protests are mainly in Canberra, where our parliamentary is, as well as it is our capital city. Where I live in the Northern Rivers, it's the most popular day where immigrants decide to take their Australia citizenship. It happens on Friday the 23rd by invite only. By special celebrations on the 26th, including special traditional flag ceremonies, Australian Day awards are handed out, honouring the outstanding contributions of community members across the district. So the rest of the video takes you on my journey of how I celebrated Australia Day today. First of all, I got up in the morning, as I usually do, at 6 a.m. Had a coffee, reflected in my journal. Then I strolled along, then I took a drive to the boat harbour, and I strolled along the boat harbour in the morning. Followed by this, then I came home. This was followed by a barbecue at a friend's place, which I didn't do any footage of for privacy reasons. Then I baked an afternoon treat, which I'll show you and share, testing a boxed cake. Or in Australia, we call them packet cakes. I looked it up, and for the evening, I had a look around, looked it up. There were no local fireworks displays that I was aware of, so I sat down, relaxed, and watched the Sydney fireworks at Circular Quay on the television. After all, I was born in Sydney, so it has a special place in my heart. Australia Day also marks the end of the summer holidays, really. After Australia Day, the school children go back to school, all the shops go back to their normal trading hours, and services are all running back to normal. So I guess it marks the time where we all have to get back into our daily routines, hopefully with new inspiration